Let's talk. I said there's power in these words, so let's talk. Let's talk. I said there's power in these words, so let's talk. Yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. If I don't talk to you, a treasure in this message, so I gotta drop a couple jewels. Did it for my people, need some guidance, and they seek it true. Tired of propaganda, and they sick of being lied to. There's power in these words, so let's talk. Yeah. So let's talk. I said there's power in these words, so let's talk. Yeah. So let's talk. I said there's power in these words, so let's talk. Yeah. So let's talk. I said there's power in these words, so let's talk. So let's talk. So let's talk. I said there's power in these words, so let's talk. Yeah. So let's talk. I said there's power in these words, so let's talk. Yeah. So let's talk. Sharing knowledge like college, corruption and all the violence. We talk about all our problems. We turn our words into power when all our heroes is dying. The media making them monster black leaders stripper. They honor like history they rewrite. There's power in these words, so let's talk. Yeah. So let's talk. I said there's power in these words, so let's talk. Yeah. So let's talk. I said there's power in these words, so let's talk. Yeah. So let's talk. I said there's power in these words, so let's talk. Let's talk. I said there's power in these words, so let's talk. Hey, my people, what's going on? This major TV. Let's talk. We're about to do the second segment of Grandmaster J. Henry Countdown the Hearing. I want to wait to see what can come in. I'm not gonna be long, but I definitely wanted to touch up on that. Get some things out the way. We can move forward. Peace, Eddie. What's up? What's going on with you? Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you. My day one right there. Janet Grant, what's up? Salute. What's happening? Much love. All day, every day. All right. Andre, what's up? Like power. For real. All day, every day. OB, what's up? Yo, what's good? This ain't power. We're gonna talk about the hearing. I know y'all heard a lot about hearings and whatnot. But I just want to break some things down. The Frederick Riley, what's up? My homie. Salute. What's up, man? I see you. We're in the building tonight, you know. You're gonna really try to break this down from a legal standpoint. Even though I do believe that the Most High gonna take over this situation, we're gonna run with it, you know, with a victory. What's up, Nat Turner? What's happening, baby? Okay, you seen him on the show, what have you? I don't know if that's old footage or whatnot. You know, I've been peeping at different things they've been dropping and now. What's up, Coletta? What's happening? Good evening. All right, good evening, love. Gary, what's up, Gary? All day, free Grandmaster J. Y'all already know what he's hitting for. Y'all already know. Let's get it. What's up, Katrina? Salam. All right. On the Conference Crown, what's up? Yeah, it's a beautiful day all day today. I'm just shaking them car wear from all that driving, that snow and all that. Romani, babe, what's up? Peace, family. How y'all doing out there? Muhammad, what's up? What's going on? The Made TV in the building. Let's talk. Let's get it popping. Right? We're going to talk about the hearing. We're going to break this thing down. And you know, for me, like, as optimist I am, as prayerful, knowing the Most High going to know free Grandmaster J, I also want to be realistic. You know, when we go deal with the system, we have to definitely understand what we're dealing with, you know.
We definitely understand that the system is designed to break black men, to suppress black men. We have to understand what it's all about. When they abolished slavery, they found reason to lock us up, I guess, in a legal way in their mind. And they find ways to just case on us, And then JKJ just went hard, He just let them know, hey, enough is enough. I tell my people what's going on. That's what he did. Salute to that brother for that. All right. Yeah, so we're going to get it popping in a few minutes. Y'all talking about that show? All right, Grandmaster J was on. Okay. All right, what's up, Kenan? I see you, man. What's good, fam? It's all good. I see you, Sherrod. Good evening to you, too. Hope all is well. See my family jumping in. We ain't going to be long. We're going to get to it. We're going to do the media situation. Y'all know I talked about the diamond and what have you, and kind of just touch up on some things about it being accusation and really the special agent. I think Daniel Nally, he was all over the place. He really got away from the complaint itself and went into talking about somebody ratting on him or tipping off about some Minnesota situation, what happened to George Floyd, how they were talking about Grandma J was talking about killing police out there. They were talking about his ex-wife and domestic violence situation. Had nothing to do with the case, but they're trying to build this bad image, bad character type thing. But I don't think they're going to understand at all. What up, Denise? I see you. B1 family for real. All day, every day. All right, Orange Confer. Yeah, I had to get something back that I hated. Y'all seeing all the background, so I wound up getting that backdrop, you know what I'm saying? Make it look like something. I ain't want to just have it looking like I'm in a truck, but y'all already know where I'm at. So, I appreciate you liking it and stuff like they gotta bring a little entertainment and stuff, what have you. For real though, I'm appreciating everybody tuning in. It's gonna be an interesting conversation. Cause right now we gotta understand what's really going on. And we really have to understand that right now is a thing, whereas Jay have to really, his defense have to just tear the prosecutor case completely apart. So we're gonna talk about the discovery process. We're gonna talk about preliminary hearing. You know what I'm saying? I just say hearing was really a preliminary hearing to find proper cause. Yeah, now I'm gonna check that out, man. For real, I here just have been so busy, all the driving and stuff like that. I'm gonna check that out for real. Real talk. We about to get with it a little bit. All right, show, yeah, thank you, you know what I'm saying? For real. Like, we trying to put this thing together. My man Sean in the building. I see you. All right, what's up, Justin Chang? What's up? All right, y'all communicate about that show he was on, huh? Real Explosion show. All right. Yeah, Gary, he's probably working right now, you know what I'm saying? But we had text just morning, so I really believe you at home, you're working on putting the content together and whatnot, That's a beautiful bro, for real. Like, he's very passionate. He care about Jay, care about our people, and hey, you know what I'm saying? I had to definitely team up with him because we both have that same passion to want to help our people, for real. All right. Yeah. This whole thing is just a concoct plan to just take him down. This is something they concocted just to take him down. And they reached so far, but they brought a legal arena where you have to be legally inclined to break it apart. You just can't they got him bad, and you have to really like break it down and show where the case they built against him is not a case at all, and that the government had other reasons and motives, right? And that's what the legal part come in and actually just breaking it down, because we know what it is. When you get in the legal arena, you got the legal terms, the laws and what have you, and the reason why they put all that in place, really. So this is about the hearing. I'm about to share something with y'all right quick, and we're gonna what's up, Deborah? I see you. I'm about to open up right now, and I want to read something to y'all, and basically just break down the base stuff about plenary hearing. You understand what's going on. I'm quite sure y'all have idea, but I just want to bring something in full context. All right. Let's get it. All right. A preliminary hearing is a proceeding that takes place for a criminal trial. Before criminal trial, preliminary hearings are similar to arraignment, but there are key differences between the proceedings. Some important distinctions are that they serve different purposes, and that preliminary hearings provide more opportunities for counter argument. A preliminary hearing is best described as a trial before trial, at which the judge decides not whether the defendant is guilty or not guilty, but whether there is enough evidence to force the defendant to stand trial. A contrast arrangement where the defendant may file their pleas. For a preliminary hearing, the judge uses proper called legal standard, deciding whether the government has produced enough evidence to convince the jury that a crime was committed in the trial and that the defendant committed the alleged crime. Proper cause refers to the existence of legal basis for the prosecution, as opposed to strong evidence of guilt suggested by the conviction stand beyond a reasonable doubt. This means that winning at a preliminary hearing can be more difficult than winning at trial. However, a success at this stage can result in charges being dropped. With that being said, it's just dealing with the legal aspect of looking at basically what the indictment saying, the allegation itself, accusation, right? And then what the agent or officer reported and what the DA is trying to bring to the court. So they will present witnesses, direct evidence, meaning evidence we can show a picture where he was pointing a light on the gun at the roof, and circumstantial evidence, and that's stuff they have that's not direct, right? Where they might, like the officers did, talked about the Minneapolis thing, right? I think it's an overreach, and the lawyer gonna probably file a most suppressed evidence because it has no relationship with it. But they're trying to say that somebody tipped the police department off about grandma did communicate with somebody. Somebody's put a rat on and said that he was talking about killing Minneapolis police behind the George Floyd incident. That's considered circumstantial, right? But then even look at the point of him pointing the gun, right? With the light, they have to also show the intent. Was his intent to actually impede, assault, resist arrest? How the statute is vaguely written, not really clear. And from that point, the judge and then the defense on the opposite got a counter, right? So I see you, Nina Cole. How you doing? Good evening. What's happening? Um, it's important that throughout the process of going through these hearings, right? Whether there's a plenary hearing, finding proper cause, a suppression hearing, suppress evidence or what have you, to exclude evidence, obtain legal, or have no relationship to the case or what have you. They got a discovery process. I want to read the discovery process to y'all. All right, it's kind of long here, but hold on. Discovery process. The discovery process breaks the case down. You really want to find out everything that's going on with him as far as what the state have against him, right? You want to know everything. Okay. I'll read this to y'all too. Kind of long, so I'm gonna try to get to the meat of it. Criminal Rules 7.20 for discovery inspection. Upon written request by defense, the attorney for the Commonwealth shall disclose the substance of any oral incriminating statement known by the attorney for the Commonwealth to have and to permit the defendant to inspect and copy or photograph any relevant written or recorded statements or confessions made by a defendant or copies thereof that are known by attorney Y'all can hear me out there? Damn. Let me know if you hear me. I didn't know that. How you doing, Barbara? Can y'all hear me? Y'all hit one, let me know if y'all hear me. Y'all caught reading of the plenary hearing? All right. I'm gonna finish reading this the discovery process. I want to explain it to y'all. Finish reading that. All right, good. Hey, Janet, what's up? D. Marie, I see you. Barbara, all right. Mac Attack, what's going on? Read it over. I have to read it over, y'all. This is right. Let me get it right. We're reading the discovery process now. Read it to y'all right quick. Criminal Rule 7, upon 24 discovery and inspection. Upon written request by the defense attorney for the Commonwealth shall disclose the substance of any oral incriminating statement known by the attorney to permit, damn, bro, my bad, to permit defendant inspect any copy or photograph any relevant a written or recorded statement of confession made by the defendant, copy thereof that are known by attorney for the Commonwealth to be in possession, custody, control, Commonwealth, and be results, reports of physical and mental examination, scientific tests, experiments made in connection with the case, or copies thereof that are known by attorney for the Commonwealth to be possession, custody, and control of by Commonwealth. But I just want to read that to y'all because my internet is acting up bad. Internet acting up bad. I'm sorry about that, y'all. I'm using my hotspot of my cell phone. I can't purchase no spot around here, so I'm sorry about that. Y'all still can't hear me? Dang. Oh, boy. Wow, sorry about that. Dang. Can y'all hear me now? I should do this off my phone. I'm sorry, I should do it off my phone. I'm sorry for stumbling over what I'm reading. I'm trying to rush in there. It's really distracting me because I can't keep a train of thought. But anyway, I'm just going to go into it. A discovery is basically where the defense want to ask all of incorporatory and exculpatory evidence that's working for J and against J, and vice versa. DA is supposed to follow the same thing. They got all kinds of discoveries and inspections and what filed back and accumulate documents to see how the state gonna be coming at J. How they gonna come at them is basically just really revealing what they have. So when they go to these hearings, or the preliminary hearing or suppression hearing, they really in the mud trying to figure out what's going on. But the discovery process and the preliminary hearing work hand in hand because the discovery process help Jaden build a case to see where the state going at and vice versa. The state trying to see what Jaden gonna say and what have you. But in the day, That's important that Jay and them get in the mud with Discovery and make sure they get everything. They're saying somebody said Jay said they want to kill some police in Minnesota. And you have to find who that person is and if it's credible and so forth, sworn. So I'm quite sure going to be going through this hearing and some suppression motion to make sure that this stuff going to be excluded. So I had to share that with y'all about the inspection and the discovery process. Important that Jay found out everything they have because they may have stuff that can help Jay, you know. But at the same time, anything they have incriminating, anybody saying something, need all that, the bill of defense. So going to the hearing, we're dealing with just basically the state alleging that he pointed a gun at law enforcement with a light, and then the impeding part of arrest, resisting arrest, assault, blah blah, which is extremely vague. The complaint itself is very long. They're not really even talking about the charge. They're talking about external things that have nothing to do with the charge itself. They're trying to deal with the intent part. It's gonna be hard to prove. On the flip side, you know, Jay have a mountain evidence showing everything he did. He followed the law, got permits, um, when so there's some kind of surveillance around areas that he was walking at and whatnot, you know. Never hurt nobody. They already know about a lot of these white militias that was saying a lot of negative things towards him. Even things that in nature of wanting to get into it with him, really have some gunplay. So it's a lot of things out there for him. And I think Black Talk to Me Radio, he made sure he put a lot of things out and what have you. So I really don't want to try to argue either side, but we have to understand what we're gonna be dealing with going in there. And the judge ought to be like, hey, gonna look at it and make a decision. That's why I said the last is gonna be what happens next. Because see, right now, I'm just dealing with just the picture of what he's facing, like the indictment, accusation, and now what he faces hearing and stuff. And I'm quite sure his lawyers are probably going to discourage process to really just drag all this out to make sure they see all what they have against freaking Bill A case. Because see, the judge, the DA, nobody's not going to be the final say, you know what I'm saying? The Most High going to be the final say, but at the same time, the defendants got to do their part, judges got to do their part, and I really believe, they're going to handle their business. What's up, Precious? I see you. Let's see what y'all talking about. What y'all talking about? Oh, they so stupid. Grandma J never said this score. So stupid. Right. And the good thing about it, though, this could set precedent, too, when Jay beat him, that the system can be beat. The system can be beat. So this might be a process you have to go through to show black people in white America that you can be beat. This, in spite of how hard you might come at us, and we fight you, and with the Most High on our side, and expose all this ugly stuff about the system, how y'all be trying to take brothers and sisters down that speak up, that's a good thing. And you never know, the Most High probably want that light to shine on him even more. Quite a few people I know, including myself, with some issues with the internet. Our phone calls has been dropping calls multiple times a day. I don't know, it might be a situation too. I never really experienced it like this here. All these internet issues and what have you. I got Verizon hotspot. That's normally strong. Real talk, And the power that be, they want us talking like this anyway. That's real, real deep. We know the power that be don't want the message out. Thank you, brother, for doing what you do. Oh yeah, of course. I got it. Like, it won't be right, me being who I am, not to, share a word with y'all. Like, I ain't trying to be Jay, I'm major. So I just be trying to keep 100. I feel like the people that should be speaking up for him, not speaking up for him. It's people like me, little people like me and you, that's saying something that matters a lot. What's up, Freedom Quest? See you. Freedom Quest in the building. We need 2 million person demonstration show support for Grandmaster J. Let them know we will not let them put Graham as jail. Of course. I mean, look, that'll be such a beautiful thing. We can do that. That'll be definitely something that can't. I mean, like the Malcolm X came in front. That was the North Police Department, Chicago Police Department, all of them with the FOI. You know what I'm saying? Behind that brother showing the movie got beat up and whatnot. It was happening in real life, and how them brothers got the attention. We know it wasn't a million people, but just having a solid front, showing that we care and willing to go all the way for this brother, can make a big, big difference. For real. That speak, brother. Speak, brother. Just saying nothing but the truth. Sad that still some of our people are clueless. Whether black celebrities, whether disappointment, fast to go get an Oscar, but helping. I mean, celebrities, celebrities, or what have you, they are a representation of the bougie class of blacks, right? The bougie class that never really want to be associated with the struggle, will be on the outside, probably supporting quality and saying and saying things, encouraging, while you got others that may be naysayers. But it's always been like that. Black people that had money versus people that, and I'm not saying we have to be poor, but people that's in a position where we almost at the bottom, there never was a real connect. It never was a real connect. And it's sad because a lot of blacks in America, we are very comfortable. We very happy with the little we have. And I'm saying little because it's so much we can have that we don't even go after, because we so caught up in thinking about self, and we come together, we can take it all. Of course. Speak words to power, Speak words to power. But also showing up, showing out, and support the brother. That's even better, because it because I'm not gonna sugarcoat nothing with nobody. I do not underestimate the system at all. Real talk. But I believe in the Most High, so that overrides everything. But still, where that's good, there's always evil present. You're doing good. They play with us sometimes. Yes, I hear you. Of course. Man, it locked brothers up and sisters up and leave them locked up 2-3 years with no case against them. And then let them go. You know why? They made money on them. Them jails, different jails and prisons, them local detention centers, they get paid taxpayer money every day them sitting in the prison. It's all a money game. That's what it is. It so happened with Jay, it's a money game. Then they want to take him down and discourage our movement. They really trying to discourage the movement. They just don't know they're bringing more fire and more fights and movement than anything. Ellis said, we here fine till you start reading. He's trying to say my reading. I understand. You trying to see if you can hear me? I don't know. So damn. I guess I'm at, I don't know, because I'm on my hotspot. How you doing, Ken? Okay. Thank you. But yeah, y'all, I call myself, I'm a person, like I said, hashtag, hold on. Hold on. This is me right here. Hashtag turn words in action 2021. I'm a person that don't just like to talk, I like to show stuff, right? I like to demonstrate and show things. I just want to break down to y'all about a plenary hearing and what it meant. You know what I'm saying? It's not a trial, nothing like that, but it gives the judge the power to bind a defendant over for trial if the state convinced the judge that this case can go to trial. In most cases, you're supposed to exercise your Sixth Amendment right to trial by jury and not do no judge trial, right? So I'm assuming Jay definitely exercises six and have a trial by jury. So only thing the judge is doing, sitting there hearing both of the parties' side, the prosecutor side, the defense side, then the judge making a decision whether the case should be dismissed or held over for trial. But in that process, there's all kind of motions and stuff being filed, requesting certain incriminating or favorable evidence, filing most suppress the evidence or what have you, because they're going to go through a series of this. They're not going to just go to hearing and boom, trial. They're going to wait till they didn't unearth everything they need to know. I'm talking about Grandmaster J defense and see what they can get dismissed, what is weak, and how they're going to prepare their defense and what have you. And more importantly, they're going to try to convince that judge Friday to dismiss the case. So that's why I wanted to read about the plenary hearing and read about the discovery, but y'all can't hear me. I was doing a lot of stomach because I was rushing, and I was tripping off the fact that my internet kept cutting me out and what have you. So I definitely wanted to make sure y'all get that, Me and Black Talk Black Me Radio, we are constantly cahoots talking my ways how we can push the message. We hearing the naysayers and people jumping out of comments, especially mine, they just be at my throat. He be like, he don't know why they don't come at him, but I told him I'm a new kid on the block. They don't know me, and they gonna try to come at me a certain kind of way. It's cool. I know how to handle myself. I'm a grown man, but I'm not gonna deny the fact that a lot of these people that speaking about Jay, not showing class, not really looking at the situation for what it is. This is a black man they're trying to take down for speaking up. They're more into that personal stuff, right? What's dealing with religion, what is dealing with things they heard about him that they can't prove, or something somebody said about him. All this nonsense when they know the way this brother is talking. They have been talking like that throughout the whole time they've been in the movement, but since Jay took the spotlight and got for real with everybody, and then called a lot of them that were hustling the community, they got in their feelings and started attacking the brother. So that let me know right now that a lot of people that's talking about Jay or bullying Jay is classless. Every time I push the narrative that this brother's life is online, can we put this on the side for a minute? They're not trying to hit it. As far as they're concerned, he what they say he is. You got brothers like me, Bro Zulu, and y'all, you know what I'm saying? And others that's speaking out. And that's just sad. That's really sad that we have to do this. We have to really do this. And by the way, I should have told you I'm sorry. Once y'all start sharing my screens, so I can build my channel. Share the videos and whatnot, because people be like, man, why you got more views? I'm like, hey, I'm telling people to share, but I was informed, let y'all know, share the content. Like, let people know what this movement all about. I love the fact to interact with my people, my day ones and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? But y'all share this. Share my live. Y'all know I'm going live. Share the live stream. Y'all see me drop videos, share. It's about helping each other. It's about helping Jay. It's about continuing with Jay and all of us been talking about doing that for us, cleaning up our community, standing up, doing right by each other. You know what I'm saying? Trying to build a real black community. Major and everyone else will be there on Friday. I wish Y'all safe travel. I wish could be there. Salute, Christine, for sure. You gonna be there in spirit, heart, and mind. That's all that matters. Spirit, heart, and mind. If you can't be there, definitely gonna be in the building. Trust me. I ain't flew in a little bit, so I'm enjoying myself on the fly. I'm kick back, you know. Yeah, enjoy that flight, because when I go down, it's about business. All right, True Troop in the building. What's up? They just hate strong black man. For real, for real. And they hate a strong black woman too. For real. Please do, man. Cause even my brother black talk black in radio be like, man, you're not doing enough. You're not, you know. My team like you gotta do. I try, but I drive trucks. Y'all see me how it was in that snow and the icy roads. I was like tired driving 5-10 miles an hour. And tonight I drove like 9 hours, whatever. I'm on this live trying to reach my people. But I need y'all help for real. I can't do this by myself. You know, I can't. I can't do it by myself for real. I appreciate y'all though. The enemy comes, Precious 4568 say the enemy comes to steal, kill, destroy. Don't worry about these wicked people, brother. Y'all will handle them. Calm will still circling the earth. Believe that. Of course. Of course. You know, of course. I truly believe that. But I also believe that we gotta still do our part. You know, we still have to open our mouths, performing our actions, and not just toward the system, but towards each other. We have to treat each other better. We have to love each other. We have to help each other. We have to listen what Jay was saying. We have to really follow an example. You know, we have to follow by example and really like, show each other that this movement is real. Yeah, Black Power, troopy. Black Power all day, every day. For real. All right. When I put the paper up, yeah, well, it was something that I found for fine law. There are plenary hearings, and I went to discovery proceedings in Kentucky, and what they processing, um, finding out different things that both parties have, the processing, filing, and what have you. The plenary hearing was just simple, just talking about the basis of it and stuff. But I'm just glad y'all can hear me because I was really like being drove, and then my internet kept dropping, so my nerves got bad, really bad. Gary Brandt said Jay made me feel good to be a strong black man. That's how he made me feel. So Gary, you speaking for me and a lot of brothers that support Grandmaster Jay. He really made me feel like. I mean, I always get myself a strong black man, right? But when you're in a system where it's racist and everything's set up systematically and institutionally, that everywhere you go, it's like you almost checkmate because you got to think second about everything you do, but at the same time stay in character and be a black man. And I don't know if that makes sense, but it's like I drive trucks around a lot of racist white people. I don't have a CB right now. All these every driving because I've been hearing how use the N word. And I just refuse to even have a CB. I rather use my phone or go walk into the guard shack and talk to them. I hear about all the stuff they say. I see the big Confederate flags out here, right? And they don't speak. I don't speak. Some of them speak. Some of them be friendly. But I just, I mind my business, but I keep my head high. I'm not scared to look them in their face and tell them how I feel if they ever play with me. You know what I'm saying? It's just out here where I had to handle my business, but everything was good. Like I'm a real black man, but at the same time, I try to be smart about what I do. But I see a lot of racist stuff on interstate. Out here truck stops and what have you. Even warehouses and whatnot. But I know how to deal with it. And that's why we gotta teach our kids how to deal with it. What's up, Ken? What's happening? I'm cooling. Precious said we have to have it. Not everyone will go when it's time to liberate our people. It has taught us this. It did Martin, Malcolm, and Fred. Real talk. I mean, I don't know. I think capitalism have a lot to do with why we where we at and why we going through. So like, once we get that money in our hand, once we brown nosing and rubbing elbows with them, and we get along with them, and we feel like everything good, we drop our guards. We don't care about the movement of the next black person, and we find excuses why not to help a black person and what have you. Just be socially numb to it because it's like the first thing we see a lot. Man, black people don't want nothing. Black people, they don't care, and that's the dumbest thing to say. There's a lot of people that really care, like me, you, us. You can't take a few bad apples and speak for an entire race. That's just not fair. You have to say facts at precious. That's all I talk is real talk. That's all I talk. That's all I talk. For real. Now what Trooper said, that's why they are trying to take him down, because he's building us up. Same with like Malcolm, Martin, Fred, Marcus Garvey. Can I go on? That's what they do. We have to know how to deal with that. This hearing and the whole proceeding from day one to now have been to discourage us, definitely take them down, and have us divided. And guess what? It's working because a lot of people came out and showed their colors. People that was one time on Jay's side talking good about him, and that was a lot of them at first. They flipped. You're strong as the weakest link. You're strong as your weakest link, and we got to get rid of the weakest link. You watch the movie 300, them Caucasians, when them blacks went over, the Persian went over there, and they was disorganized. They was like fighting against each other. And this is a true story. Greatest warriors in sport, and when fought, a million people, they got killed, right? Because they sacrificed everything. They brought all them white races together. All of them, Greece, all of them, the Spartans, what have you, but all of them together, you know what I'm saying? And Troy, all of them, and fought against the Persians, the blacks, and backed them out, right, and stopped them from taking over. So they're gonna only take a few good men and women in this movement. It never was a entire black race, you know what I'm saying? It was a few good men and women. Even when you look at Harriet Tubman and what she was doing, only, those who was the real ones that really wouldn't go all the way to free our people. And that's how it is now. Trust me, Jay knew exactly what he was doing. He was willing to sacrifice his life, sacrificial lamb, to cause an uprising of black community, separate those who real from those who fake. That's all. Because you got a lot of us, we talking, not doing. A lot of us looking a whole other way, been the game for a long time, turning back on his brother. I can't respect that. Denise Powell, what's up, Denise? Well, stand firm and stand strong for our children, Grandmaster J. live. Mm. Speak. Speak. Y'all on fire, D. Y'all on fire. Y'all on fire. I see. I ain't about to email with y'all. Y'all serious today. Y'all on fire today. For real. How black people the biggest threat if we never commit a crime against humanity? May the Most High punish this demonic Western society. Stand with the righteousness for real. They say every dog got their day. I'm gonna just say that. Every dog got their day. Y'all going deep on me, huh? But didn't Joshua go through the same thing? Judas betrayed him. They killed Joshua, but we not our ancestors' brother. I seen Nina saying all right. Say Judas betrayed Joshua. All right. Real talk. I definitely appreciate the comments. I definitely appreciate all the love for real, like. But y'all have to share these videos and lives future wise. I'm gonna keep saying that because we're trying to build. We're trying to build. And right now, we've been doing pretty good. We have to do better. That Trump said they should have. They should also have Rise Islam on. NOI also unify with. In fact, I saw this paper news final call talking about Grandmaster J. I'm at the grade that final call. I haven't bought in a while. But I need to check that out because I'm very curious and very concerned about why the nation is not speaking up after Farrakhan had already said a few years ago that we need to strike back. When they strike us, strike them back. The shooters, shoot them. And Yvette Cornell came out and criticized him for making that statement when she said he had a whole nation behind him. Why would he say that, knowing that person may need money and whatnot to get out and what have you? So that became a big old deal and stuff like that. That was before Burst Watkins and Yvette Cornell fell out. That's about 4 or 5 years ago. There you go, brother. Just try. Yeah. Just chosen the Most High got this all the time. I mean, look, I believe in the Most High, right? But I'm also realistic. You gotta realize it's just me. That's just how I think. I look at everything. And I try to open my. A lot of people get crushed with things and go their way. And for me, I try to prepare for the worst as well as the best. That's just me. And everybody rock different. Real talk. All right, it's the truth. I'm going through some of y'all messages. I know I'm pulling them up and going through, trying to make sure you're being heard. Oh, I know I read down. Yeah, so that's all I really wanted to say, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I just want to get out the way because I feel like we just need to know what's going on. We need to know what they're saying, what the climate is like for Jay in that courtroom, and how the state is trying to push their case versus how Jay's gonna push his case. We really definitely need to be on call with that. They know a Grandmaster Jay was permanent up there for any reason, so would have in fact, and it is being nighttime dark. There wasn't anybody else in the other group shining their light to see. Come on. Yeah, like I said, that right there, there's so much you can take. There's so much you can take from it. It's just crazy. Like, it's really, really crazy how they building the case. I see D Marie in the building. So definitely appreciate everybody. I think I went through everything. I apologize because I tried something new. I had used my hotspot, and I'm glad it held up. But as y'all already know, as soon as I pulled up a document and try to read, that's some internet was acting crazy and stuff like that. But I appreciate all the comments, appreciate the love. Y'all on my day ones, I appreciate y'all. But please share the live stream, share the videos, where we can build this channel, where we can really get a movement going, because it's so imperative that we keep this movement alive. This is not a protest like Jay said. It's a movement. For anybody new, subscribe. Comment as always. And again, I'm just doing my part. I have one more series to do. I believe on Wednesday night or Wednesday evening before I leave, and I might do some at the airport or in between Thursday or whatnot. I'm really gonna try to get out there and what have you. But I appreciate everything. I definitely appreciate all the love. I appreciate how y'all really have backed me from day one. When I ain't know none of y'all ain't know me. Y'all really like showing me love, and I just appreciate that. So with that being said, y'all just stay on cool. Y'all stay focused and just be black. Peace.
Let's talk. I said there's power in these words, so let's talk. Let's talk. I said there's power in these words, so let's talk. Yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. If I don't talk to you, a treasure in this message, so I gotta drop a couple jewels. Did it for my people, need some guidance, and they seek it true. Tired of propaganda, and they sick of being lied to. There's power in these words, so let's talk. Yeah. So let's talk. I say there's power in these words, so let's talk. Yeah. So let's talk. I say there's power in these words, so let's talk. Yeah. So let's talk. I say there's power in these words, so let's talk. So let's talk. Let's talk. I said there's power in these words, so let's talk. Yeah, so let's talk. I said there's power in these words, so let's talk. Yeah, so let's talk. Sharing knowledge like college, corruption and all the violence. We talk about all our problems, we turn our words into power. When all our heroes is dying, the media making them monster black leaders stripper. They honor like history, they rewrite it. There's power in these words, so let's talk. Yeah, so let's talk. I said there's power in these words, so let's talk. Yeah, so let's talk. I said there's power in these words, so let's talk. Yeah, so let's talk. I said there's power in these words, so let's talk. Let's talk. I said there's power in these words, so let's talk.